Nestled in the heart of history, this timeless mansion stands as a monument to elegance, grandeur, and architectural mastery. Built in the late 19th century, this estate blends classical European design with the warmth of heritage craftsmanship. Every detail tells a story, from hand-carved stone facades to wrought iron balconies that whisper the charm of a bygone era. Step inside, and you're greeted by a soaring ceiling, a handcrafted staircase, and a chandelier that has lit generations of family memories. The drawing room, once host to elite gatherings, remains frozen in time, rich in velvet, mahogany, and the scent of legacy. A private library invites reflection, where every book, every binding, echoes the wisdom of the past. Imagine candlelit dinners, clinking silverware, and laughter echoing through these halls for over a century. The master suite is a sanctuary of comfort, draped in vintage luxury and timeless charm. Beyond the walls, manicured gardens and ancient stone paths lead you through whispers of romance and history. This is not just a mansion, it's a living chapter of the past, a rare blend of preservation and beauty, waiting to inspire its next story. Discover the elegance of yesterday in a home that transcends time.